Let's swap out the eyes to the vehicle. Let's do it. Headlight replacement time. Follow me. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And today I'm going to be installing the Morimoto headlights on the new 2022 Toyota 4Runner. So I will be doing a quick install video. Follow me in case you decide to replace your headlights as well. You do not have to remove the front bumper. However, I was doing other things and now the bumper's off, so I'm doing this as well. So there will be 4 bolts that need to be removed for your front headlight. One there, one there. Let me just show you so you can see. 1, 2. Just under this cover here is a hidden bolt right there. 3. And the 4th bolt is actually on the side of the vehicle right there. 4. You also need to remove the harnesses for your, let's see, right here is for your highlight and your low beam. For the top 3 bolts, you could actually use a Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet, or a 10 millimeter ratchet for the bolt. For this one here, there is no thread, so it's just a 10 millimeter bolt to remove that one. I got the harnesses already detached right here. Literally just pressing these bottom buttons and pulling out. Just be sure to remember, well, they only fit in one opening, so you won't get confused when putting these back. So removing your factory headlights, you'll have 4 harnesses, high beam, low beam. The turn signal, you'll actually take out the bulb and that housing there. You'll take out this plastic housing, and the new one will actually insert right into that. And then this is your 4th harness there. Now it's time to connect the 4 harnesses. So this triangle one here goes into where the fog light assembly was. Oh, no slack. We'll get it. Snaps in. The brown or copper looking connector goes into,
because you got the little pin guide to go in there.
There, that little gray one there. Like so. And then the high beam, low beams. One has 2 pins, one has 4 pins.
Yeah, this one has the half moon.
Half moon
Guide.
goes to half moon.
Clip on the top. Okay.
Perfect. And then the last one goes into the last one.
You got the bottom guide to go into the clip down there.
Great.
Let me double check that. Yeah.
Okay.
The bottom guide goes into the clip. Right at the side.
Like so.
Let me try again. For the front, I said no.
So we got the daytime running light. So it's this little tap here that goes into the 10 amp injection or INJ port. And you just run this wire back here. It hooks up to this port here for the driver's side. Then there's a longer cable that I just ran under this foam here in front of the radiator, and it's going in the back of these hoses, pops out the front, and this will be for the passenger side. Also, if you have a 2021 or 2022, you will make sure you have this adapter harness, because there is a fitting that comes off of the stock one, this one here, that will not fit into the Morimoto XB headlight. So that's what this adapter is for, and it literally is a plug and play installation, and we are almost complete. Right. Another thing, when you do these, you will need to remove this bracket here from your factory headlights, and it's held in by three screws. So this is at the bottom of the Morimoto headlights, but I'll show you, and this is what the bumper clips into when you put it back. So you need to make sure when you take out the old OEM headlights, take out this bracket, and this is where it's located. So on the back of your factory headlight, it's the bottom here. It's going to be these three screws that you'll just unscrew from the bottom, and the bracket will fit, and you use the same three screws for your installation on the Morimoto. That's the only parts that you're going to have to take from your factory headlights. That's what it looks like when it's installed. We're going to do pretty soon we'll be putting the bumper back on, and we'll get a complete look. What do you think?
Light check, right?
Yep, we're going to check it, make sure it works.
You